Right, good morning. I'm just about to make some sugar for my sugar waxing, so you call it sugar paste. It's the hair removal. And I just thought I'd show my latest version of it because obviously I've perfected it over time now, and this time, this recipe that I do, it never fails. So it's foolproof, if you like. So I'll just go through it and show you what you need. So you just need a pan and a heat. I measure in cups, lemon juice, sugar, something to squeeze the lemon juice with, a whisk, a pot to put it in. So this is an old sugar paste pot from when I used to buy the sugar paste. So I'll just put it in there when it's finished, and a thermometer. This has really perfected it. Instead of trying to guesswork it, I've got the exact measurements now, which will all be down in the description below. So we'll get started. So the first thing to do is measure out the sugar. So it is 2 cups of sugar. This is 1. And 2. Okay, next on to the lemon juice. So 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Usually takes me just the 1 big lemon, but I had to use a little bit of a little one as well. So somewhere in between 1 and 1.5 lemons. Make sure you strain out the pulp and the pips. And then that just goes into here. And then 1/3 of a cup of water. So there's 1/3 of a cup of water going in. And then we pop it onto high. Get our whisk. And whisk it up. So try and whisk it the majority of the time. It doesn't take too long to get hot. So I'll show you the different stages. We don't have to show you the whole time. Just quickly show you this as well. I don't throw away lemon. I put my lemon rinds in here, freeze them, and then I use them to make a vinegar and lemon spray for the surfaces. There's a video on here if you want to see that. I can link it below. So it's just starting to bubble now. I don't turn it down at this point. Keep the heat high. It'll foam right up. And try not concentrate because you don't want to get it on yourself now. This is pretty hot. So it's just stirring like this now until it'll go like a slightly darker colour. But what we do is, instead of judging it by colour, because it can burn quite easily, we'll do it via the thermometer. So I'll pause this, and then when it's nearer I'll show you the temperature it needs to be. So I've got my thermometer in now. You can just about see there it's on about 230, something like that. So I go off the Fahrenheit and I want it to be 260 there, which is I think about 123, 24 degrees Celsius. So that's when you want to take it off the heat. So I'll pause this now so I can stir it a bit more so it doesn't burn. Okay, where are we? We are there. So I can take this off now. Can you see that? It's hard to see, isn't it? There we go, 260, so I'll take it off. Right, I'm taking it off now. Keep stirring it. Then the bubbles decrease and you don't end up with bubbles in the sugar mix. And that wastes a bit of it. So you want to get it down so the bubbles are all gone. You can see it's a golden colour here. That means I haven't burnt it, which is wonderful. So now there's no bubbles in it. So it hardens quite quickly, but this will be really extremely hot now, so you have to be really careful. I'm just going to pour it into my tub here. can see what it looks like in the white tub. Okay, that's the colour it goes, and then you just leave that. You can use it in about an hour when it's cooled down quite a bit, or you can put the lid on it and it'll keep for a couple of weeks, and you can just reheat it, either put it in a hot bowl of water, or I've got a proper heater for it, little sugar pot. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.